I wake up, I do 10 ounces of water with 2 pinches of Celtic sea salt and a lemon squeeze. I mix that together, I chug it, and start your day off with the sea salt. That'll help you a lot because you're a big saltwater battery. Drop off. Breathe in your belly. Oh, yeah. Oh, so good. You needed that one. Breathe in your belly. Loosen. Let go. Oh. Breathe in your belly. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That was good.
Oh my gosh.
Breathe in your belly. Oh, yeah. Let go.
Oh. Yeah.
I got that.
Oh, yeah, man, I've been rubbing.
Thank God you've been loosening it up. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gotten it. Loosen. Good. Drop your arms off for me. Oh, yeah. Loosen. Oh. Loosen. A little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Good. That was epic in your thoracic spine,
oh
man.
My God. Yeah, I don't think I've had that
Not that low.
in a while.
So you remember the salt thing? What's Alzheimer's disease? It's type 3 diabetes. And your salt levels go low and your sugar levels go high, right? That's when you get in a lot of trouble. But yeah, we're going to have sugar in our diet. That's kind of hard to avoid at this point, especially as Americans. So keep your salt levels high. The moisture in your actual muscles, not in your vasculature. And when I take a day off of it, my muscles immediately start tightening up. I feel the difference. And this time of year, everyone wants to go into muscle spasms because it's just a dry time of year. Breathe in your belly. Let go. I think I got it all already, buddy. Breathe and squeeze. Go to your side. Face me. Keep your belly out like Buddha.
So I can still put like 2 scoops of the electrolyte and then 2 pinches of salt?
No, that'd be too much. You'd use the electrolyte in the afternoon.
Okay.
Or on your way to work. Just put it in your water. Take it with you. You're starting off with just a little saltwater shot. Breathe. Oh, yeah. Guide your knee high up. Lift it high. Yep. No, you're good. Switch sides. Let me get in here. Good. One more time. Oh, yeah. Loosen. A little bit.
So the morning with the 2 pinches is literally just like you saying a shot, like literally
10 ounces of water.
Okay. I usually chug like a big mason jar of water every morning.
Yes, that's the one that I'd want you to take the sea salt to.
Okay.
You could even do 3. If it's a big jug like that, do 3.
It's like a big old pickle jar.
Yeah, do 3 pinches of sea salt and do a fresh organic lemon squeeze. For your kidneys to work, you need the sodium for the sodium potassium pumps. That's how we filter our blood. To make stomach acid, you need the chloride in order to make the caloric acid.
Mm-hmm.
So all of these things are very important for our daily activities, for our body to function well. You're a little tight. And lift. And let go. Let it roll. Good. Good. Easy. Down. Good. And down. Breathe. I got you. Squeeze. There it is. Thanks, brother.